There's a quiet question that echoes in the moments before the day begins, a choice that presents itself again and again. Do you disappoint others, or do you abandon yourself? The answer, though it may feel difficult, must always be the same. If you have to choose yourself every single time. Because abandoning yourself isn't a single dramatic act. It's a slow erosion, 1,000 tiny compromises that chip away at your soul. Most people break their own hearts this way, trying to be everything to everyone and in the process, becoming a stranger to themselves. We say yes when our spirit screams no, hoping our compliance will be mistaken for kindness. We make ourselves smaller, folding our edges and quieting our voices, just to make others feel more comfortable in their own skin. We pour from our cup until it's not just empty, but cracked and dry, with nothing left for our own thirst. This isn't sustainable. This isn't living. But then comes the moment of decision, the quiet rebellion. The moment you choose yourself, your needs, your boundaries, your peace. The moment you honor your own dreams, not as a distant wish, but as a non-negotiable destination. In that moment, you don't just stop falling, you begin to rise. And here is the beautiful truth you'll discover. The right people will never be threatened by your growth. They won't be intimidated by your light. They will stand on the sidelines and cheer for you, celebrating the person you are becoming. Choosing yourself isn't selfish. It's the highest form of self-respect. It's the ultimate act of preservation that allows you to show up in the world as your most authentic, vibrant self. It is the foundation upon which a truly fulfilling life is built. So let this be your vow, your mantra, your promise. Say it softly to your own reflection, or say it boldly to the world, but say it and mean it. I choose me.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.